how to create your personal folder in your Outlook. Okay, so you can create the folders, and how you can use the folders I'll show in this video tutorial. Okay, so let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here you can see I have used two email ID. So you can select any mailbox or email ID to create the folder. So if I want to create the folder under this email ID, I have to just select this email ID and create, and just right click on it, and I have to create the new folder. So the new folder will be create. Okay, so this folder will be create under the where it is, let me check. Okay, where it is. Okay, this one, the folder, individual folder has been created in under the this email ID. Okay, so if I want to create the subfolder under this email folder, so I have to just select the folder where I want to create the subfolder. So I just select this folder only, and just right click on it and click on the new folder, and now it will be create the new folder, but it is a subfolder of selected folder. Okay, personal folder. So you can see this is my main folder in under the email ID, and this is my subfolder under the folder. You can see the both folder has been both folder has created, and it is empty. So I can use it. So there is a server way you can use the folders. You can move your inbox email to this folder. How can move it? Just select the email IDs, go to the inbox, and you can just find out this folder, and you can drag the email like this in this folder. So you can see I have dragged the one email ID in mail folder, I have dragged the one email ID in the subfolder. You can also select all email ID like this. Just hold your shift key under and just click on down arrow, then all email ID will be select, or just hold the control key, or you can select the randomly email ID like this, and you can now after select just click and hold and just move it like this. So you can see 6 email ID has been moved. Okay, that is how you can create the folder. And if you can create the search folder also. Okay, so I can create the search folder. So guys, and just scroll down, and very bottom you can see the new search folder here. It is by default folder. Okay, so just click on it and click on new search folder, and you can see the some reading mail or some condition here. So there is a categories mail, large mail, old mail, anything. You can also create the custom folder here. Just create and just create, choose, and you can rename the name the folder, and go to the criteria, and you can select here criteria. Okay, like if you want to create folder with specific word like meeting, so this word should be come in subject and message body, and you can create it. Okay, so you can rename and just click on OK, then click on OK. So you can see meeting folder has been created on all email which has include meeting word in subject or for body. It will be move here. You can see the email has been start to move. Okay, so as I show you, there is some just right click on search folder and go to the new search folder. Here you can see you can also create the folder with unread emails. Okay, just click on unread emails and click on unread. The folder will be created, and all unread emails will be come here by automatically. Okay, so that is how you can create or manage folders and create the personal folders Outlook. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.